After 14 relocations and 12 renamings, CUMT is the only double first-class university directly administered by the Ministry of Education in the Huaihai Economic Zone, and is striving to begin a new journey, a journey to become a world-class university in the field of energy and resources. The China University of Mining and Technology. At the beginning of the 20th century, to help serve the new industry in China, the predecessor of the China University of Mining and Technology, Jiaozuo School of Railroad and Mines, was formally established in March 1909 and became the first center of higher education for China's mining sector. The Jiaozuo School of Railroad and Mines was defined by its values: cultivate talents to prepare pioneers for the material construction, conduct research to seek the independence of academics of China. The school brought together a large number of well-known scholars and mining experts such as Zhang Zhonglu, Zheng Qinglian, and Ma Zaizhi. The school also won the support of Cai Yuanpei, Weng Wenhao, Sun Yueqi, and other social elites and scholars across the country, and became an institute of higher education in engineering on a par with Jiaotong University. Originally the Jiaozuo School of Railroad and Mines, CUMT has gone through numerous name changes, including Private Jiaozuo Institute of Technology, National Northwest Institute of Technology, and the National Jiaozuo Institute of Technology. The school has passed on its history to each generation and iteration of its university, and the human capital used in a large number of China's national industrial and mining projects have been esteemed alumni, such as Shi Changshu, Fu Hengzhi, and Li Hengde. After the founding of New China following 1949, the school's development continued. The China Institute was the first mining institute in the People's Republic of China. The Beijing Institute of Mining and Technology brought together elites in the fields of coal science and education from across China. It was also one of the first to be identified by the government as a key national university, and has become the leader of mining higher education within China. Also reform and opening up in the 1980s, the institute moved east to Suzhou and established the Beijing Graduate School in 1978 and the Beijing campus in 1997. In 1988, the institute changed its name to the China University of Mining and Technology, which was personally written by Deng Xiaoping. Suzhou, Jiangsu, in ancient times the capital of the Western Chu nation and birthplace of the Han culture, is now the central city of the Huaihai Economic Zone. On this hot land, the China University of Mining and Technology continues to write a new chapter in its history by developing new mining technology, serving the country and benefiting humanity. CUMT continues to explore the path and solution to become a world-class university in the Huaihai area. At present, the China University of Mining and Technology is directly administered by the Ministry of Education and is a part of the National 211 Project, the 985 Advantageous Discipline Innovation Platform, and a national double first-class university. There are 21 schools, faculties, 59 undergraduate programs, 17 first-level doctoral programs, 14 postdoctoral research stations, and 9 national key disciplines. In the latest National Subject Assessment, mining engineering and safety engineering were rated A+, and surveying and mapping, geological resources, and geological engineering A-. This placed CUMT as the 22nd highest university for A+ grade subjects in China. 7 disciplines also entered the top 1% of the ESI World University and Research Institution rankings. In mining engineering, CUMT is now ranked 19th in the QS World University rankings by subject and is one of the top 5 universities in mainland China. Meanwhile, on the U.S. News World University Engineering Ranking Index, the university comes in 30th place among mainland universities. The China University of Mining and Technology has nearly 2,000 full-time academic staff, 14 academicians of science and engineering, 384 doctoral tutors, and 412 professors. 19 of these professors were selected for the CUMT Scholars Award Program. 16 were awarded the National Outstanding Youth Science Fund Prize. 5 are national-level teachers, and 16 were selected for the National 1,000 Talents Project. The university has 3 national experimental teaching demonstration centers, 2 national virtual simulation experimental teaching centers, and 1 national talent training model innovation pilot scheme. There are currently more than 35,000 students in various majors across the university. Since its establishment, CUMT has trained more than 300,000 graduates, many of whom have grown into science and technology elites, the backbone of management across China and leading figures in all walks of life. The university shoulders the heavy responsibility of serving both the national strategic goals and the local economic development goals. Within CUMT, there are 2 national key laboratories, 2 national engineering technical research centers, and 1 national local joint engineering laboratory. Since the beginning of the 12th five-year plan period, CUMT has undertaken 1,129 national-level scientific research projects, obtained 27 national-level science and technology awards, and is ranked as the 9th best university in China in terms of the number of awards. The university also has a large number of PCT international patents, ranking 14th in global educational institutions and 2nd among Chinese universities. The university is also leading the way of transformational development for resource-exhausted cities with the Pan'an Lake Project and the Suzhou Sample Project as a way to provide CUMT solution to beautiful China construction. For more than 100 years, the China University of Mining and Technology has shared the same destiny as the development of modern China, and its glory has continuously been written into the history books. Towards the future, the university will continue to push forward the Double First Class program, adhere to the mission of talent training, and play a grand rhyme in the course of the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation and in the history of human civilization.